Where is the pumpkin? Shadar lao bono
Hey, Salimuddin, what are you doing?
I'm cutting my pumpkin.
What? You are cutting pumpkin? Is
Yes.
that my pumpkin?
Yeah, this is my pumpkin.
It's my father's pumpkin.
This is my father's pumpkin and this is mine. This is not yours.
You're telling lie. It's my father's. Hey, what's happening here? My land.
It's my land. I told you it's my land.
my land.
All time you do that like that.
No way, it's my land.
He's taking my land.
He's taking my land.
Do you want to sell?
Brother, come. He's asking for selling our land.
Sure.
Yeah. If we sell, we will get lots of money.
It's a good idea.
Yeah, we will take money. Okay.
We want to sell, but to whom will you sell?
I have a party. I have a big party from Dhaka.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's.
Sir, to Mukkel sir coming to you. Don't forget my commission.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum,
Walaikum salam.
We want to sell our land.
Yes, I will purchase this land. How much do you want?
sir. 1,000.
1,000.
It's too much.
No, sir.
No.
It is fixed.
Fixed.
Please.
Otherwise you won't sell. Fixed.
Too much. Okay. Don't look at me. Please advance.
All.
Yes. Mokkel.
One. Okay? Two. I'm senior to you. That's why it is
No.
mine.
No.
I'm senior to you.
50-50 deal.
Who is senior to you?
Brother, you asked for only 500 taka. I told 1,000.
But fixed. Who told the fixed? I told the fixed.
No.
I told 1,000 fixed.
No.
No.
This is mine. It's my land.
I told you it's my land.
It's my land. It's my land.
Don't quarrel. What's happened?
Money. This is 2. ঠিক আছে 3 2 যাবো রেডি তুই কি স্টার্ট করে রাখছো